How's it going, everyone? We're halfway through the week and it's time for one of my recaps. In this video, I'm going to be going over some of the trades that really stood out to me. But as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First one on the list is Meta. This is a trade I took today, called this out inside Team Bull. Put this in my channel, pre-market, so I'm watching Meta for a retest. I was initially watching it for a reject, but it had strength off the opening, so I switched my game plan up pre-market. So I simply watched for it to pull back. This is the opening 5-minute candle here. Had a nice pullback. I took it off the 9 EMA here, pulled back nicely, touched it. I got in closer to this 164 area. Got in at $252 per contract. I used the 165 calls. Got in here. Had a nice move up. My final sell was at $395. If I would have held to this point, they was at $450 a piece. But I'm very happy with my execution on this. Practiced patience, and I followed my trading plan. It worked out well. Another trade I took today, called this out inside Team Bull. Took this 85 bounce on AMD. It was a support area. I was watching volume. We had a nice pull down, which is exactly what I like to see when I'm taking a bounce. Got in here. I accidentally took the 88 calls for some reason. I guess I was rushing, but worked out. I got filled at $70 per contract. My final sale was a little bit above 90, which is an excellent return. Where else can we make that kind of money in minutes, or sometimes even seconds, right? Another trade I called out today. I didn't personally take this one, but I did call it out over the voice inside Team Bull. I said, Snow broke this trend line on the 5-minute. And when it pulled back up, I said, this is where I would enter this trade if I was taking it. Reason being, I didn't take this. I already hit my daily goal, and I didn't want to give back any profits. The market was kind of being choppy at the moment. But I said, this is where you should enter if you want to try this trade. They got in here. I said, okay, my first trim would be, I think it was at 85. My next trim would have been at 184.12. Worked out really nicely. The members did really, really well. Snow has really paid us this week. We entered a swing trade on Friday. Did amazing off that trade. Another trade I called out today. I did take this one. It's a quick scalp. This is the most recent trade I took. I just exited it not long ago. This is on QQQ. I was watching this 300 whole number for a bounce. I was watching volume. We had a nice pull down to this area. I called out in my channel. I said I'm going light size in QQQ calls using Friday expiration. I've been trying to stay away from same day expiration. It's been working out really, really well. So we got in here. I got filled on my contracts at roughly, I think it was just under $310 a piece. Closer to $305, I believe. I have to look. But anyways, my last sale was close to $340. I'm happy with that, especially after having the type of day I've had. Hit my goal already. The reason I took this trade above the Snow trade, bounces like this are higher probability, especially when volume confirms. People often ask me, Grizzly, how do you know when to go heavy or when to go half size? It's pretty simple for me. Volume confirms, level 2 looks good. I look for stuff like that. I like 3 things telling me to take a trade. But I guess to make it simple, put it in simple terms, I like taking bounces full size. Breakout trades, I usually take half size or less. Rejects are usually half size to full size. If it's an A+ setup. My position size correlates with how confident I am in the trade, how the overall market's behaving. But that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me. If you're not inside Team Bull, you need to come join us. This is very good vibes there. One of the best places to learn. Team Bull is education based. We got a library full of free books. Jay Dunn, he does a book club where he goes over books. He tells you what book he will be reading and breaks it down into a class. We have some traders there that do webinars and such. Yeah, come join us. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.